Assalamu everybody, this is my 65th algorithm video. In this task there is a party going on and we need to classify it either as a girls party or a boys party. The numbers in this list represent the color of the clothes that are worn by the people. If they are duplicate numbers, meaning that the people are wearing similar clothes, then we would classify it as a boys party. However, if there are no duplicate numbers in this list, then it means that it's a girls party. Now let's make the algorithm. I would make a blank dictionary, dict colors. It would be blank dictionary. Then I would make the dictionary for color in color clothes. If color not in dict color, then dict color is equal to 1, else dict colors frequency equal to dict colors color. I would increment the frequency by 1, then dict color is equal to frequency. Now let's print the dictionary. So as you can see, the number 1 is repeated twice here. So there is a duplicate number. That means it would be a boys party. Now I would iterate through the dictionary for color frequency in dict colors. I would also make a flag variable here, flag 0. This flag would indicate that we have found out a duplicate color. If frequency is more than 1, then I would update the flag variable to 1 and I would also break out of the for loop. Now at the end of the for loop, if flag remains 0, meaning there is no duplicate, then I would say it's a girls party. Otherwise, if the flag was changed, it would be a boys party. Now when I click play, dot items, it's a boys party because the number 1 was repeated twice. So there are duplication in of number in this list. Now let's change the number. Let's say the list was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now as you know, there are no duplication of a particular number in this list, so it would be classified as a girls party. Now when I click play, so as seen here, the answer, it's a girls party because no number is repeated. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.